Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make Hmong egg rolls. This is the outcome of how it looks like. Please stay tuned.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Hmong egg rolls. This is the packet I like to use. Many people have their own variations of what they like to stuff in it, but stay tuned for my recipe. Thank you.
Here's the list of ingredients that I use to stuff the egg rolls. First, we're going to start with the noodles and drench it for 15 to 30 minutes and then drain out all of the water. And then you want to cut the noodles, add the carrots, and then the onions. This is how it looks like whenever it's all diced up and shredded. We're also going to put potato in here. A lot of people don't put it, but then I personally like it. We're going to start with the base of the noodles and then add all of these veggies into there and then the meat. And here's the ingredients that I used to put in the seasoning. And I almost forgot to put cabbage in there. This is how it's going to look like. We're going to add 1 egg to the mixture to thicken it up. Taste test tip. Make sure you cook it and taste it before you start rolling. Here we're going to cut open the wrapper packet and start separating these out. They're all stick together, so we want to make sure we gently separate out the wrappers from each other. This could be a bit time consuming because we don't want to rip the wrappers. They're very fragile. Next, let's get into rolling the wrapper. We're going to put, like, I would say 3 tablespoons of the mixture into the wrapper and make sure we tuck in the first roll and then start rolling 1 round and then fold in the sides. And make sure we roll it tightly so the oil doesn't get into the wrapper. For this, I use tapioca starch instead of the egg yolk because it makes the oil cleaner. Now we have our first batch. We're going to heat up the oil on medium-high heat and throw it in there. And once it's ready, we're going to take it and take all the oil out and then put it facing up. If we face it up, it's gonna make sure all of the oil from the egg roll is drained to the napkin instead of leaving it in the egg roll. Here I'm just showing you guys how to roll it again. Now it's time to taste test my hard work. Dip in sweet and sour sauce. Mmm.